It's not broken. We have a slight problem with the glue, the adhesive. And what happens is one of those triangles, they get loose and we have to fix them again. And there is a really easy way to do that. With regular Scotch tape, you can buy in any hardware store. You cut a 5x5 piece and fixate the triangle right where it's supposed to be and put the Scotch tape across the entire triangle, cut the tip, go over the edges. You don't have to be too careful, it's very easy to do. And it's fixed and you can hardly see it. And the geobender is working like brand new. So, problem solved. Everything fine. Fun can continue.